know what the word polygon means? It comes from Greek. Poly means many, gon means angles, many angles. Polygons are two-dimensional shapes that are made up of straight lines with all the sides joined up. They can be regular with equal angles and equal sides, or irregular. They can even intersect themselves. It's important to understand shapes and angles for many different professions. Engineers, architects, artists, farmers, construction, gardeners, which is why we study them in maths. Depending upon how many sides they have, different polygons have different names. Starting with 3 sides, I'm pretty sure you already know these are called triangles. There may be different types, but they all have 3 sides and 3 angles. Next come quadrilaterals, 4 sides, 4 angles. Now for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10-sided shapes. Pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon and decagon. These can be quite tricky to remember, so try and connect them with something. Quad for quad bikes, which have 4 wheels. The Pentagon building in America, which has 5 sides. Or PENTA on your fingers is 5. Hex has an X, as does 6. Octopus have 8 legs. N for nonagon and for 9. Dec is for 10, just like our decimal system, is base 10. Find a way that works for you to help you remember these names. So here are some quick questions to quiz your polygon knowledge. Pause the video, answer the questions and click play when you're ready. Did you get them all correct? We need to know the names and number of sides of different polygons so that we can calculate the interior and exterior angles of them, which we'll look at in another video. Please like and share our videos with your friends, and if you've got any questions, just ask below.